So in this video I'll very quickly show you how to catch the monorail, exchange some money at the Sentral Mall, and then we'll head on to Little India and check it out. So it's really easy to get around in Malaysia. There's plenty of trains everywhere in Monorail. We're waiting for the monorail. You just go to the machine, buy your ticket. They give you a little coin, little plastic disc to get through the gates, and then come up to the platform and just wait for the train. Yes, we're going to Sentral. And that's it, Sentral Station. And just put your disc in and it just stays there, and that's it. Cost about $1 each for the train. So this is the new Sentral shopping centre. Look at the size of it, my God, it's massive. It goes up about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7 floors. So in this new Sentral Mall we found a money exchanger. We used this a few years ago when we were here, and this gives a much better rate than the airport. At the airport we got 250 ringgit for 1 million rupiah in Indonesian, and here you get 304, so it's about a $20 difference just cashing $100. So don't cash much at the airport, come to the new Sentral Mall. It's the best rate we've seen. Okay, so that's good. I cashed 2,400,000 Indonesian and $100 Australian and got 1,030 ringgit, which is very good. Okay, I'm sort of lost, but I think I'm in Brickfields now, which is Little India, because of all these arches you can see here. So anyway, we'll cruise along and see if we can find some Indian food or something. Yeah, this has got to be Little India. There's Indian people and Indian shops everywhere. Okay, so I was lost, going completely the other direction. So I got out the trusty old Google Maps, and we're heading back the way we sort of came, and down about another half a kilometre, and that's Brickfields, Little India. Okay, I finally found Brickfields, the main part of it, where all the street food is and all the shops are, and it was probably about a kilometre walk from where I was. So anyway, there's the big fountain there and the big gates over there, so this is definitely Brickfields, and I can see the arches down here, so we'll have a look what's along this road. So this is the beginning of Brickfields and all the street food. So we'll take a stroll down here and just check it out. Now I've been here before, probably about 4 years ago before COVID. Walked all through here and it's definitely a lot busier now and a lot different. A lot has changed by the look of it. So we'll just check out what street food's going on. I'm not sure if this is the right time. It's only about lunchtime. Probably a lot more people come here in the afternoon. Just a lot of jewellery and stuff like that, a lot of food, a lot of fruit markets. I suppose it's a whole different thing comes out of an evening, a lot more food. And anyway, it's good to have a look. Okay, here's where they sell a lot of flowers and that for their offerings, for the Hindu offerings. He's making them here. Making the offerings. Oh, it smells so good in here. Wow, it smells awesome, all the flowers. It really is good. Awesome. All the ladies in their traditional Indian dress. Gold shops. There's gold shops everywhere here in Little India. A lot of them. Wow, check out some of that. The security guard's got a shotgun. Sitting on the front with his shotgun. Okay, so this is like a beef curry. It's big chunks of beef and curry, and just with some white rice, and we've also got some chennai coming. Okay, so what you do more or less, just get a bit of the beef and the curry, put it on the rice, just eat it like that with a spoon. Wow, it's really good beef. Well, it's a bit spicy, a bit chilli sort of spicy. The meat's really super tender, must have been cooked for a long time, slow cook. Very good. Nearly got the chicken and curry. No, we had chennai. Okay, so yearly got the chennai, 3 chennai, one's for me. And chicken, so you just eat the chicken. You also get sambal, curry and dal. So I'm going to grab one of them chennai for me. You just break that off and eat it with the beef. So just break the chennai off, bit of beef, a bit of rice and curry. Just eat it like that. So good, check that out. Oh yeah. What's the chicken like? Good?
Yeah, it's tender.
That was about 25 ringgit, which is 2 meals of beef, 1 meal of chicken, 3 chennai and a tea and a tea towel. So it's more or less 3 meals for 10 bucks, pretty good value with the tea. Okay, so that was a good walk down through Little India. I'll tell you what, I need to sit down right here and have a little rest. So I've just walked about 3-4 kilometres. So I'm going to sit down here, have a little rest, and then head up back towards Sentral Mall and get the monorail back to the Bukit Bintang. Check that out.